You're a beginner and you want to improve your English level, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Majid and today I'm going to teach you guys and their Tara how to talk like a native American speaker. So without further ado, let's go. Allow me to introduce myself. No, don't say that. An American does not say, allow me to introduce myself. Yes, in formal places, he or she may say that, but we're learning to talk like informal, right? So an American speaker does not say that.
Allow me to introduce myself.
No. Hello, I'm Majid.
Hello, I'm Tara.
You're entering a place and you will say, hi, I'm Majid.
Hi, I'm Tara.
Yes, that. But if it's like a meeting, like formal meeting, you can say that, hey. Hello, allow me to introduce myself. I'm gonna establish my plans for the future and blah blah blah. Yeah, so no, it's not like a business meeting. It's like day-to-day English, right?
Yeah.
So, hi, this is Majid.
Hi, Majid.
This is like, or you can say An American does not say, that was an unfortunate incident.
That was unfortunate.
Yes, that was an unfortunate incident. It's like book English, like formal English, not real English. Real English, you know what? It sucked.
It sucked.
Yeah, it sucked.
That was
No.
unfortunate.
An unfortunate. No, don't say that.
What was the sentence?
That was an unfortunate incident.
That was an unfortunate incident.
It
sucks.
Yeah, it sucks. Or that sucked.
That sucked.
That sucked.
That sucked.
Yeah, that was an unfortunate incident. No, don't say that. You can simply say, that sucked, yo. That sucked, man. It's like, not even yo, no. Yo is like slang, like bro, slang, yes. If you want to talk like slang English,
Okay.
you can say yo, you can say bro, or these kind of things. But yeah, simply say, that sucked. It's like your friends talking and you're
T or D?
that sucked, like
ED?
yes, sucked. That sucked.
Sucked.
Or you can say, it sucks.
It sucks.
If you're talking about right now, it sucks. An American does not say, she was very upset.
She was very upset.
Yes, you can say she was very upset, but it's like you're 50 or 60, or it's just like a formal meeting. If you're young and you're trying to talk English, like normal English, you can say, she was super pissed.
She was very upset. No, she was super pissed.
Look at me. She was super pissed.
She was super pissed.
Yeah, she was pissed.
She was pissed.
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 Yes, she was super pissed.
She was super pissed.
Yes, it means she was very upset.
She was very upset.
But no.
She was super pissed.
She was super pissed. I mean, don't...
Super pissed. He was super pissed.
When?
You.
When?
I don't know.
No,
I
I'm
just
not
don't
super
say
pissed. I'm super
he.
happy all the time. And I'm using this phrase, super, like a lot. It's like, I'm super happy. It's super great. And I'm adding it. I love English because of this. I mean, you can create words that never existed in English history and still it's not wrong.
He's super person.
Yeah, it's like super person. Great.
Like me. I'm a super person.
Are you?
Yeah.
I think you're super narcissist.
No, I'm not narcissist. I just love myself.
Okay, good. So right now I want to teach you and dear audience, the importance of watching series.
Oh.
Yes. A bunch of people, they're like, no, I don't watch series. I don't like series. It's not about series. It's about learning a language. It's about the function of watching series in the pace of your learning speed. I mean, you want to learn English fast?
Yeah.
So you have to watch series. I mean, it's so important to watch series in your day-to-day, in your daily English learning routine. If you're like, it's just hate watching series, no, don't watch it because we have different watching. I'm sorry, we have different learning styles, and if you like hate watching series, no, don't. But it's you're like, nah, like
So.
yes, you have to watch it.
Okay.
Like yeah.
What do you recommend?
If you're like basic English learner, you want to learn English from the scratch, Extra English is good. Extra English is a great series. It's like British series. And we have extra German, extra like French, and for every different languages.
Okay.
But we have extra English. Extra English, yes. It's great for learning English. And another series, it's I think. No, don't watch that. If you're intermediate and like you can watch Friends, How I Met Your Mother, and This Is Us. I love this series. Yes, This Is Us. But if you're like upper intermediate or advanced, you can watch Big Bang Theory
Big Bang.
or Suits.
Oh.
Suits, yes, because they're using a bunch of like hard expressions. And not hard, we don't have hard expressions. I mean, level-wise, I'm saying. Yes, they're using a bunch of like, a little different, let's say different, but difficult expressions that it's maybe it's harder for a person who's just starting learning English. But if you're like upper intermediate level or advanced level, you can watch Suits. It's great for your English level.
Suit.
Yeah.
Suit up.
Suit up. Yeah. No, not just suiting up. It's like you know the Suits, like the series that I think Meghan Markle plays in it.
I didn't saw.
You know Meghan Markle?
No.
I mean, Prince Harry's wife.
Yeah.
Okay, that guy, like ginger guy.
Oh, okay.
You know his wife.
Yeah.
You know she's an actress.
No.
No.
I didn't know. I know now.
So you know that she's an American, right?
Yeah.
So she's an actress.
Oh.
Yes. That's where Prince Harry met her, I think.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's why, I mean, not where. So, what was I saying? Yeah, oh, yes, the importance of watching series. It's so much important. Yeah, please watch it. And you guys, please watch series. And also, watch YouTube channels like this that you're doing right now is great. Is great. Yes, just play it and go to the kitchen and just cook and listen. Just you don't have to even focus.
Don't focus.
Just like, yeah, just your unconscious will learn. So you're unconsciously learning the new language. So yeah, because the process is happening here in your mind. Some researches that shows that, hey, you can even listen and go to sleep. And even when you're sleeping, you will learn, but not that much. Yeah.
Like Chandler when he wants to just quit smoking.
Yes, like that episode on Friends. Chandler when
And he became a woman.
Yeah, he became a woman. So I love Friends.
Yeah, I love it.
That series.
Like top.
You can watch Friends. Yeah,
Friends.
for 1 billion times. Like I love it.
Without Chandler, it feels bad.
Yeah, I miss him.
Me too.
He was one member of our family. Now he's gone. I was so sad
Me too.
of his death. Oh, God bless him.
God bless him.
God bless USA. Okay, I talk like because I learned English by watching Barack Obama. I mean, I love that guy. I love his character. And when he's talking, he talks like great English.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's why I love Barack Obama.
That's why you like to always say, God bless America.
God bless, he's like, God bless you and God bless the people of the United States.
What about us?
Yeah.
We do.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm doing origami.
You're doing origami?
Yeah.
So
now my paper is more beautiful and I want to write
show
more.
it to the audiences.
No. It's personal.
They are curious.
No.
Okay. What is good? What is it? It's
Now
like-
I'm going to just write here and here.
Okay. Good. It's
Give
good
me
that you're
tips.
writing.
Yeah.
Okay, great. An American does not say, "Would you care for a drink?"
Would you care for a drink?
Yes, he or she will say, "Wanna grab a drink?"
Wanna grab a drink?
Not just, "Wanna grab a drink?"
Wanna grab a drink?
No. Hey, wanna grab a drink?
Hey, wanna grab a drink?
Wanna?
No.
No?
No.
I want a juice. I want juice. People need juice.
Water. Glass of water.
Glass of water. No, no. It is so important to leave now.
Why?
No,
Oh, okay.
it is like formal English.
Oh, it's so important to leave now.
Yes, an American does not say that.
Why?
He will say that we gotta leave now.
We gotta leave now.
Yeah, we gotta.
We gotta leave now.
We gotta leave now.
We gotta leave now.
Yes, great. That is unacceptable.
That is unacceptable.
Formal English,
Formal.
not day-to-day English. Don't say that. Okay?
Okay.
So,
So,
instead of saying
don't.
that is
Unacceptable.
unacceptable, say that's not okay.
That's not okay.
Simple, like simple sentence. Don't try to like talk the way that you're writing task on IELTS exam. No.
That is not acceptable.
Yeah, people in US or in UK does not talk like IELTS English or TOEFL English. It's not like that. It's like so simple. That's not okay.
It's not okay.
Yeah, that's not okay,
That's
man.
unacceptable.
No.
That's not okay.
Yeah.
That's not okay.
Yeah, that's not okay. Simple. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. That's not okay.
That's not
I'm
okay.
not okay with that.
I'm not okay with that. That's not okay.
That's not
Don't.
okay.
Just simple. Don't.
Don't.
I'm doing something that you're not okay with it, and
Okay.
you're like I'm using your cell phone to
Huh?
like use your gallery to.
That's a red line. I'm going to kill you.
That
Say
is
your
not
last words.
That's not acceptable. That is unacceptable. So
That's unacceptable, young lady. Don't do that.
that's not okay. Don't do that.
That's not okay.
Hey,
I'm going to kill you.
what
Say
is
your
wrong
last
with
words.
you? Yeah. What is it? It's like this, not like that is unacceptable.
That is unacceptable.
No.
I'm going to kill you.
No.
Last word.
I'm gonna kill you. Yeah.
Write your last word.
Like, why my last word?
You want to just use my phone.
No, I don't want to use your cell phone.
You said that before.
No, I said like,
Oh, for example,
yeah.
I'm going to, for example, kill you.
An American does not say, "I apologize for my behavior."
I apologize for my behavior. It's so good.
Yeah.
It's like your lord.
Yeah, Lord, but and like in day-to-day English, you're not talking to lords and queens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that way we are just going to talk. It's better.
Yes. So you can say, instead of "I apologize for my behavior," you can say, "Sorry, my bad."
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Sorry, my bad.
Short and
Yeah. To the
useful.
point. Yeah.
To the point.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Sorry, my bad.
Sorry, my bad.
Yeah. Sorry, my bad.
I'm so
You can,
sorry.
it's something you can laugh about it. Like,
Sorry, my bad.
sorry, my bad. It's like, so
I apologize.
I apologize for my behavior.
For my
Or if you can,
behavior.
if you want to say I apologize, you can simply say, hey man, I apologize.
Hey, man, I apologize.
This is better than say, I apologize for my behavior.
I apologize.
Even like the king himself, he's like,
Sorry, my bad.
sorry, dear queen, my bad. Even the king is like, no, I apologize. No,
Is it?
no, the king is like, sorry, queen. When Princess Diana was alive, sorry, Diana, my bad, baby. I am unable to locate it.
Okay.
I am unable to locate it.
I am unable to locate it.
I can't find it.
I can't find it.
I can't find it.
I can't find it.
Yeah, I can't.
I can't.
Yeah, can't. Like not
Can't
can't.
find it.
It's not
I
can't.
can't
People,
find it.
but bunch of people say can't. It's not can't. Can't.
I can't
Yeah,
find it.
can't. He has arrived at the party.
He has arrived at the party.
Yes. Don't say that. An American does not say that. He or she will say, he's here at the party.
He's here at the party.
Yeah, finally he's here.
Finally, he's here.
Yeah, he's here at the party. He has arrived is like book English. It's not formal English. Yes, it is true. But no, in day-to-day
He's here.
English, he's here. Yes, he came.
He made it.
He made it. Yes, great. Yeah, he's here at the party. Like,
He's here at the party.
so, yeah, she came, by the way.
He came.
Yeah,
Welcome.
welcome. Please do not hesitate to reach out.
Please do not.
No, an American
Please
does
do not
not.
what?
Please do not hesitate.
What does it mean?
Hesitate means like, please don't be in doubt.
Oh,
Yeah.
please do not hesitate
To
to
reach out.
reach out.
No, an American does not say that. He or she will say, hit me up if you need anything.
Hit me up if you need anything.
Hit me up. Hit me up if you need anything. Hit me up if you need anything.
Hit me up if you need anything.
Not hit me, hit me.
Hit me up.
Not hit me, hit me.
Hit me up if you
No.
need anything.
It's like, tell me.
Tell me if you need anything.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Hit me, yeah, tell me is good.
Tell
but
me.
an American culture,
Okay, hit me up.
like language-wise, it's better to say hit me.
Hit me if
It's,
you need
it's more
anything.
it's more acceptable
Okay.
by the youth and like teenagers and like adults.
Hit
everyone.
me up.
Hit
if
me
you
up,
need
yeah, hit me up, yo. But if you're like old, if you're 50 or 60, yeah, we can just say, tell me.
Tell me if you did anything.
Yeah, not with that voice, like,
Tell me.
no,
No.
like normal.
Tell me.
Yeah,
Okay.
good. I will give it a try.
I will give it a try.
You're yawning,
No.
you're sleepy,
No.
you want to go to sleep?
No.
Good, you have to study.
Mm-hmm.
What was the sentence?
Give it a try.
Yes, give it a try. Yes, it's good, but no, it's not informal, it's formal. Say, give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
Yes, give it a shot. Instead of try, you can say shot.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, like you're shooting shot,
Give.
but you can say instead of give it a try, you can say give it a shot. It's better.
Give it a shot. Let me
Yes.
shoot you.
No.
Let me kill you.
Let me shoot you.
Let me shoot you.
Yes, but no, don't shoot me. Give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, good. So you're watching the series?
Yeah.
Which series?
What you told me. Extra English, Friends, How I Met
No,
Your
which
Mother.
one? I mean, you're not a beginner,
No, yeah.
so it's better to watch Suits.
I'm going to just watch Office.
The Office, yeah.
The Office.
Like UK or US?
US.
Yes, great.
Michael.
That's my favorite one. Yeah, Michael.
Pam and Jane.
Yeah, okay.
Just super good.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So that was all about today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please make sure to watch other videos as well. It's like free English class. Thank you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel, please. Okay, have a great day. Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.